First of all, I'd like to thank you all for inviting us in. This is such a great experience, and as you can see, I brought a team with me, and it does. It truly takes a team, and you as parents, I want to applaud you for investing in your children's education by providing them this opportunity and partnering with Wave Global to be able to make this a possibility for your children throughout the summer. Because learning is one of the most important things that we do, and it never stops, as we all know as adults. And so being able to provide these chances to your students to learn such amazing things as this, because I stopped at 3.14. That's where I was. So that is impressive. I know he was struggling, but to be able to see how Cy was going through the process and being committed to it, that's something in education we don't see enough of, is that students will quickly give up and they want the easy answer. They want to Google it. They want to ask a friend or ask the teacher. And so being able to see each of your students, whether they were calling off the 50 words or doing pi, that is impressive because of the grit, the stamina, the determination to really commit to a task. And so thank you. Thank you for allowing us the chance to come in and to see what you're doing and how our students are continuing to grow over the summer. So appreciate you.
Sure.